So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So talking about this video is just making talk about the RC car I got from temu, which is right here. This is the high speed 20 km/h 1:32 RC car from temu itself. That's the scale. And actually in actual sense, I just wanted to dig this video in reference to talking about how these RCs are different from the major ones. So actually in reference, the RCs themselves, they have like three major. This RC, what you call it, this is the RC alloy body, as you can see right here. This is the alloy body. So this one is the mini version, the smallest version I'm talking about here. So this smallest version, actually this is the last tiniest version they have, which can fit into someone's palm regularly, as tiny as this. And also does a little bit of speed as well, 20 km/h. And they also have, all of them have what they call a shock absorber, which is plastic, but they help in maintaining the balance of the cars themselves. And they also have squishy bodies as well, squishy tires. As you can see, very squishy tires right here. This maintains the speed and what they call it, balance and agility on the ground. That's that. And the back as well, bouncy, shakes. You can see the back adjusts as well. That's the spring gear, as well as the front. So I just wanted to make this video in talking about how these RCs are different from each other. As I mentioned before in my YouTube community post, these RCs, this car I got presently, I got it from temu, but unfortunately for me, it stopped working. I don't know why, because the remote control wasn't actually connecting. It just keeps on blinking its lights and doesn't connect. I don't know if I'll be able to show you right now for you to see. Just look at it right here. This is the RC remote control here, which is blinking the lights. I think it just stopped blinking, I don't know why. So as I've turned on the RC car itself, as you can see, it uses Type-C to charge. This is the only version that uses Type-C. The rest of them uses like a rechargeable battery that you connect to normal ports, like this type of ports. It uses this kind of rechargeable battery. That's the old ones, maybe the likes of the 1:16 and 1:12. Those are the biggest ones. The 1:12 is the biggest RC of this alloy buggy. I just wanted to give you an explanation on how it looks. So this is the smallest type. So as I was saying, this one is already shining already, it's blinking. And let me try connecting it to the remote to show you what it means. It's just blinking, no connection. If there's a connection, it means that it's going to stop and it's going to be still. The light is going to be still, but it's just blinking and turns off. That's the issue I've been having. Although when I first got it, I tried it the first day, it worked. Maybe because I used the high voltage battery, like 5-volt battery to power the RC remote, which is my fault by the way. It stopped giving it juice. Although it still had some lights showing here, it means that it's pairing, but the receiver isn't receiving any transmission. So that's my bad. So I just wanted to make this video to just talk about how the RCs are. Since this one kind of particularly work for now, I'm going to do some modification, like getting a new RC body and what do you call it, RC receiver and transmitter. Whereas if I get that one, I'm not sure if this light will be able to perform the different color and the color variations that it usually do, because the mini version does different color variations, red, blue and white. Red, blue and white, yes. So when I first did this, that's the only option that I have to do now, because I can't actually make this work presently because the remote is not functioning as I said before. Just blinking and no connection. That's that, as you can see. So as I've explained, the RCs, they are different. This is the smallest type. All of them have shock absorber. Another difference is that the middle of this doesn't have a screwdriver here, whereas the 1:16 and 1:12, they have both screwdrivers here to make that grip very tight, and as well as here as well, have screwdrivers in this middle pin to make it tight. But all the same, they look exactly the same. Their body and the design is the same. The alloy body, as you can see right here, this is the black version. The alloy body, this body we are seeing right here, the alloy body, they look a little bit the same, and they are almost essentially like from the same brand, but different versions and different sizes. So that's what I was meant to make this video, guys, for you guys to see. Not much I'm talking about, but I just hope that next time when I want to make a review, it's going to be maybe like a YouTube short. I'm going to have already gotten the remote control receiver and what do you call it, the new receiver and transmitter. So I'm going to add this in the middle of the motherboard and everything. So look at the bottom of it, that's the on and off switch, and the description of the Chinese and the directional button right here. It's just similar to the first one I got. If you know my video, check it, watch this video right here. And if you want to watch the RC Lamborghini I wrote from temu as well, the green Lamborghini, having a lot of comments and views as well, check this video right here. Also for the remote control helicopter I got from Jumia, check it right here. So that's all for this video, guys. Anything video that I've talked about, this RC device are very entertaining and giving views for people to watch, and also have a lot of things for you guys to see as well. Also coming from the the video amplifier I got from temu as well. There's going to be much to talk about. I hope you guys stay tuned to the next video, and hopefully I will have done this as well, because I'm also excited. I don't want this to just go astray. I'm excited for this to happen. It uses I think the 300 mAh battery, lithium polymer battery. It's pretty decent. I want this to work very soon, and I hope it's going to work to my expectations. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this video. See you guys in the next one. I also wanted to do so this is actually what I've missed from this motherboard and this transmitter. I've missed a lot actually. So look at how it does. Actually, you can see there's a lever for increasing the speed and gradual modulation of the left and right button. As you can see, the speed toggle here actually it moves forward and backward, but that forward and backward is not only by the press of a button. It's gradual and simulative. I don't know how I will explain it for you. Let me give you an insight. Like this button right here, once you move it closely, once you move it closer, it goes gently. But when you increase the speed and you jack it up to the highest, it's going to move its full force. So there's a momentum in drag force on this RC. This is a little bit different from the normal RC remote you usually see from maybe the 1:16 and 1:12. That's just for this RC. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. I got the black version, as you can see here.